Welcome back to another episode of the Exploring Photographer, and we're back at the same locations as per the last video, which is Beecraigs Country Park. I went back to the reservoir in the morning for sunrise, and I was standing probably about 20 meters away from the last video's location, waiting for the sun to hit the trees as it was coming up. I luckily had some wellies on, which helped me when I was trying to set the tripod up, but the first attempt failed because it was sinking into the marshy ground. I ended up taking some DVDs out of my backpack and putting on each leg to stabilize it and to stop it from sinking. Whew, carbon fiber. I'm gonna have to get some foam on there. Man, it's cold. In my infinite wisdom, I decided to take a drone out and fly it between the trees to get some B-roll. Yeah, not the greatest idea, because as you'll see in the next few seconds what happened. I took off, I flew down the footpath, and I lost signal within 20 seconds or less. The drone decided to return to home, straight up into the canopy, hit the dried out branches, dropped down, went straight back up again into the branches and fell to the ground. I have to say, DJI's products are fantastic, really hardy, and to be honest, even after all those two crashes and dropping to the ground, it had really minimum damage. I had to replace some props, and that was about it. So everything that came off clipped back in, and it's flying again. Just shows you it's quality. If you want to get a drone, get a DJI drone. After playing kamikaze with the drone, I took a stroll to the other side of the park, trying to find a few locations that's worth taking photos of. Right, here's the position I'm in now. Yesterday I was here. Yesterday I took photos. I recorded it all, but thanks to, well, I don't know, thanks to the G7X Mark II, it was out of focus. The whole walk was out of focus. So we'll just have to retrace the steps, and I'll show you where the photos were taken yesterday. I'm very happy about it, but what can I do? Well, the sun's over there. It's not exactly the same spot yesterday, of course, because it was yesterday afternoon. The sun's there at the moment and was there yesterday afternoon. So, height's the same, or very similar. So let's see what light we get. See? This lovely tree here of moss. I don't know how well you can see it, but this one right here. It would have been so nice if it was on its own in the field somewhere. But it's not, so I'm gonna have to come walk this forest, do a proper recce. This area, see which trees are where, what type of compositions are here. Okay, so coming up to the composition I took yesterday. So spent quite a bit of time over this, and I got quite a few different shots. So as you can see, you've got two trees here with colourful leaves, and you've got a path leading away. So I took a few standing where I was a few seconds ago, and then I walked down into this area, and for the life of me I could not get this location to myself for longer than a minute or two. Every single time there would be people walking down from the top coming down or from this side going up, and they know you're taking photos, but end of the day. We're going to walk up to the last place I was yesterday, and hopefully the sun's a little bit higher and maybe we can do something. The sun's starting to hit the tree over there. This is Scotland and there's not a cloud in the sky. Right, that tree yesterday, that's one I was trying to get. So I used these two trees yesterday to frame this shot. I first put these two in focus, got them nicely in focus, and then I did a tree, got the tree in focus from this exact spot. And then this tree here with the yellow colours and oranges, I got a shot of this one as well. I was quite happy with them, came out quite well. Let's go, keep going. Try and get this composition, this tree against the dark trees in the back. I can't isolate it enough. Let's try and move up a little bit. After struggling to isolate it a bit, sometimes you just have to throw in a towel and just accept you're not going to get the shot. Thank you for watching another episode. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I hope to see you in the next episode. And remember, get up early, get out there, because you have to be in it to win it.